Pacific Pioneers, U.S. deploys advanced drone ships near China. The U.S. has deployed 2 prototype drone ships to Japan in a pioneering endeavor in the Western Pacific, targeting enhanced surveillance and potentially augmenting attack capabilities against China's colossal fleet. Stationed at Yokosuka, near Tokyo, these unmanned vessels could operate as viable substitutes for larger naval entities such as destroyers in hunting enemy objectives, acting as strategic force multipliers. The unmanned surface vessel Ranger, with a length of 190 feet, can, although not currently armed, carry and launch missiles from modules loaded onto its rear flatbed section. This advancement comes in response to China's escalating naval presence and exercises in the Pacific and its numerical superiority in terms of naval vessels. The Pentagon plans to counteract by investing extensively in AI, drones, and autonomous systems, driven significantly by China's progression in military autonomous systems. The unmanned ships, including the Ranger, are part of the Ghost Fleet Overlord project, initiated in 2018, focusing on integrating autonomous operations into the Navy's framework. Advocates believe such ships can operate efficiently within enemy fire range, allowing manned ships to maintain a safer distance. These developments are necessitated by the elevated risk posed by China's equipped forces making operations around China's seas increasingly perilous. The Navy's experiments with unmanned surface vehicles, including projects like Task Force 59, signify a shift in military strategy in the Pacific and other regions. The larger and technologically superior American drone ships deployed are a part of the evolving tactics, often incorporating crew members to monitor and collect data during transits. The Ranger successfully fired an SM-6 interceptor missile in 2021, highlighting its capability to neutralize enemy ballistic and cruise missiles or to initiate attacks on other ships. The Ranger and its sister ship Mariner previously engaged in exercises in the Pacific alongside the USS Carl Vinson and other naval vessels. These autonomous vessels are potentially revolutionary, offering strategic advantages and operational flexibility against adversarial fleets. The deployment illustrates the U.S.'s ongoing efforts to counter China's burgeoning naval capabilities and to secure its interests in the Pacific region. This move signals a significant advancement in naval warfare technology and strategy, reshaping the dynamics of military engagements in maritime domains. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.